This is John with WTI. And right here with me, I have my GorillaPod by Joby. This Joby GorillaPod grip is just great. And I'm going to tell you directly why. First of all, it's because how easy it is to take this around. I can even put this in my pocket. So I can take sturdy shots and nice shots with just something that I can have in my pocket. The main tripod that I use to record most of my videos, I just have to put it in a suitcase. It's too big, too chunky, has a ring light. So I cannot take it to all these places. But this guy here, which is magnetic, I can actually put this close to anything in metal and it's gonna stay in sturdy, like you can see in this bar of the video with my car. And of course, I'm not gonna put my phone, but any metal surface is gonna stay there. Nice clip, great filling, and you can wrap this around in any other area. And the fact that you can use this for blogging, use this for nice shots, upside shots, wherever you would like to do, you just let your imagination go with this guy here. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.